Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a video unboxing a griddle accessory set I bought to go with my Blackstone griddle. If you're interested in seeing that, stay with me. Okay guys, we got a griddle accessory kit. So let's open it up and we'll see what all we have. Little instructions. We have 2 squeeze bottles, spatula, egg ring. I like these where they lift up, they'll be easier to store. The spatula has a beveled edge. We have 2 round ones, 2 heart-shaped ones, there's so many different kits, I really didn't know which one to get. I think this was a knife. Yeah, little steak knife. I probably won't use that much. I have some other knives I use a lot when I'm doing stuff like that. There's 2 little seasoning shakers. May or may not use those, we'll see. Pastry brush. An empty box over here to put this plastic in. Then we have extra hooks that we can hang on the grill if we want to. Handles for our covers. Another scrub pad. We'll just leave that one covered since I've got some that come with the grill. Here's our dome covers. I'll put them together. We have 2 of those. Have a large spatula that's beveled all the way around on all sides. I can get it out of the pack. Kind of sharp. Another spatula beveled on the end. The 2 long spatulas. This one's got the vented holes. Then we have just like a regular type spatula. Again, it's beveled. These are made really good. We'll see how they hold up over time. And this is like our fish paddle. That's what we usually call them. I don't know what the official name of them is. A set of metal tongs. That way I won't have to worry about burning the tips of my other ones. And another scraper paddle. And we have a meat press. I have 2 of these already. But we have another one. And then we have a bag to store everything in. So let me get everything together and I'll let you see it all. And here's everything, the 2 lids, the spatulas, down to the other items in the box. Thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to let you see what I got. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.